Hi YouTube, welcome back to WTF RC Cars. So here we've got my TRX, had a few additions to it. We've swapped the servo out for one of them. I've swapped the wheels out for these little things, dirt cheap from, I think these were eBay. Metal wheels with big weights inside them and some really sticky tyres. On the ECS and motor front, swapped it out for the AXE 550 motor, 3300 kV I think that one is, and the Hobbywing controller. Now, because I've got the Traxxas lighting kit, I took this original fly lead off the original Traxxas ECS, soldered it straight to the battery points because that needs power directly from battery. So straight from this lead, where it goes into your ECS, solder it on there, and focus. And then that gives you your power feed into your Traxxas lighting unit. Then we've got the Traxxas lighting unit running all the way around here into here. I've got a third channel 5-volt switch that will control the lights, hopefully. Then we've got a Flysky receiver running a Flysky 4-channel breakout. I've set it up. We've got the diff locks now both on a separate channel with endpoint adjustment. We've got gear shift on a separate channel, and obviously your throttle and your steering. Also leaves me one of the channels off the 4 on the main receiver, using that to switch the lights on and off. And then this little kit here has got 5 sockets on it, 4 are channels, 1 is VCC. So I've managed to run the wire from the fan on the Hobbywing controller ECS, because there's nowhere to plug it in. Run that straight under the battery tray and into this, so as soon as we power the ECS up, we get us fan working. We've got another 2 channels in use, which I think these 2 are powering the 2 diff lock servos. Also leaves me an extra channel if I want to fit a winch to the front. Or another channel for lights in case I want to switch the lights separately. But yeah, a bit of an update, and it all seems to work pretty well. Alright, after a bit of time of playing, we have all the Flysky gear in, and the Hobbywing ECS and motor. And let's see if I've got this right. I should now. Yep. So we got full remote light on off, fully independent diff lock, and the iron low speed gears are on a separate channel. Really impressed with Flysky. So we've got that button to do the gears, iron low, the 2 little sort of gear shifters, flat paddles if you like. They do the rear one, does the rear diff, front one does the front diff, and then we've just got that little button there to turn the lights on and off. Quite impressed. Nice to be able to use the original Traxxas lighting kit, but actually give it some kind of functionality now. Thanks again for watching WTF RC Cars. If you like and subscribe. You can ring the notification bell to get notified when I upload new videos. If you've got any comments or any questions, leave below. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down. Thanks for watching WTF RC Cars.